Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am 𝗫 𝗚 and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, now we will start reading with our grammar part, okay? So whenever we learn a new language, then the most important thing is to learn the perfect grammar, the perfect use of the grammar, okay? And we will start our grammar portion with the topic tense, right? So in each and every language, again we are having certain rules of tense. So we will start our topic tense in today's video, okay? So now let's begin with our video. So students, the first thing that I want to let you know is that in your exams you will have some questions that are based on the tense, and in those questions you are given with some of the sentence, and then you are having some verbs, and then you have to use those verbs according to the tense that is there in the sentence. So first of all, you have to identify that which tense is used in that sentence, and at that time if you are having the clear idea about all the rules, about the helping verbs, about the main verbs, then only you will be able to write the perfect helping verb and main verb that is used in that tense, okay? So we will cover all these things, we will learn all the rules of the tenses. So let's see. So tense, we all are aware about this thing that basically tense is having three parts, okay? That is present tense, past tense and future tense. So what are these three tenses? Present tense means the time that is right now, that time is known as present time. Past time, the time that was there before, that time is known as past time, and the future time is the time that will be there next, okay? So these are the basic three classifications of the tenses that we are having, right? So let's see the different examples of the tenses, the different names of the tenses. So students, we are having basically three major tenses that are dependent on the time. If we are talking about the present time, the time that is going on, that is known as present tense. If we are talking about the past time, the time that was there before, that is known as past. And if we are talking about the time that will be there after some time, so this is known as the future tense. So basically we are having present, past and future tense, but these tenses are also having some categories. So let's see all of these categories. So first of all, let's talk about the present tense. So in the present tense, we are having first of all present simple tense, and present simple tense, it is also known as present indefinite tense. Second tense that we are having here is present continuous tense, and it is also known as present progressive tense. Next is present perfect tense, and the fourth one that we are having here is present perfect continuous tense. So in this manner we can see here that we are having four tenses in the present category. Similarly, we are having four tenses in past and four tenses in future category. So the name of the tense is same. Suppose we are having simple tense, so the same tense we are having in present simple tense, same tense we are having in past time, that is past simple, and the same we are having in future, that is future simple, right? Second tense we are having continuous, so we are having same continuous tense in all the three times: present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Similarly, perfect tense is having all the three categories: present perfect, past perfect and future perfect, and the same case happens with the last tense, that is perfect continuous. So yes, we are having present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous tense. So in this manner we can say that we are having four tenses in present time, we are having four tenses of past time, and yes, we are having four tenses in future time, okay? So in this manner we are having all these tenses. Future time may be same tense hai, right? So in this manner we are having all these tenses with us, okay? So now we will complete to all these tenses, we will cover all these tenses one by one. We will see all the different rules that are related with these all tenses. So just remember this thing, students, that all the tenses, they are having their own helping verb, they are having their own form of the main verb, okay? So while we are reading the tenses, so you have to be very careful regarding knowing the different verbs of the helping verb, because आपको helping verb की कौन कौन सी verbs होती हैं, कौन कौन सी forms होती हैं, वो आपको learn होनी चाहिए. Then only you will be able to write the correct answer. Because आपने ये तो learn कर लिया कि इस tense में हमें second form use करनी है, या suppose इस tense में हमें third form use करनी है. But if you are having no idea related with कि what is the second form, what is the third form, then how will you write the correct answer? Okay, so yes, we will cover all the rules, we will see so many examples, we will see some of the common words that are associated with all these tenses, and we will see the different uses कि कौन से sentence को हमें कौन से tense में लिखना है, कौन से tense का जो use है वो कौन से sentence को form करने में होता है. And yes, we will see the structure of all these tenses also, and the structure of all the different kinds of sentence, like if we are having negative sentence, if we are having interrogative sentence, or if we are having a positive sentence, then what will be the structure of the tenses. Okay, so all these things we will cover in our coming videos. We will study all the tenses one by one, and when we will take our first tense, then we will cover all the different rules that are associated with this tense. Okay, and in this manner we will cover all the different tenses of present, past and future time. Okay, see some of the example, let's see some of the sentences. So suppose let's take one verb and we will write that verb in different tenses. So let's see, we are taking write, suppose. So suppose we are having one sentence. She is writing a book. So in this sentence we are having is as a helping verb and writing as a main verb. Okay, is our helping verb and writing is the main verb. Clear? Second sentence we are having, she writes a book. So now we can see that we are having a different form of write here in this sentence, and here we are having writes as a main verb. Here we are having writing, and here we are having write. So these are the different forms of a same verb. Okay, verb is same, that is write, but we are having different forms of write. And again we can see that she has written a book when let's see last year. Okay, so now we are having the sentence she has written a book last year. So now we are having written as our main verb and has is the helping verb. So again we can see a different form of write that is there in this sentence. And let's see one more sentence. She wrote a book yesterday. So again wrote is again a different form of a write. And let's take one more sentence. She will write, okay? She will write a book next year. Okay, so these are some of the sentences that we are having as examples, and each and every sentence you can observe, you can notice this thing that we are having different forms of a write. The main verb that we are having in all these sentences is a write. This is the main verb, and in this sentence we are having writing, next we are having writes, then we are having written, then we are having wrote, and next we are having will write. So why we are having different forms of a same verb, why we are having different kinds of helping verb? Because the simple answer is that all these sentences are related with different tenses. So this is the thing that we have to learn, this is the thing that we have to observe, that how to identify identify the tense first of all that is used in any of the sentence, and then we have to learn the basic rules. We have to learn about the helping verb and main verb of that tense, and then according to all rules we have to write our proper answer, our correct answer. So in the exams you are having, you know, this portion, this topic tense as fill-ups. You will have some of the sentence, and in those sentence you will have some blanks, okay, and then you have to fill the blanks. You have to complete the sentences using the correct form of the verb. So you have to learn that why we are having is writing here, why we are having writes here, why we are having has written here, and so on. Okay, so we will complete all these things. We will complete all the tenses in the coming video. So just be with me and see you in the next video with our very first tense. Thank you.